Hello, my brother and my sisters. The Bible says that the time is coming that my people will start to worship me in spirit and in truth. In fact, you think the time have not come. The time have come that the people of God, the Christians, the Jews, all the people, all the Christian, the chosen people of God, that they should start to worship God in spirit and in truth. This is not a time for you to deceive. This is not a time for you to stop worshiping God. This is not a time for you to run out of the Sabbath. This is not a time for you not to keep the will of God. This is the time for you to worship God in spirit. This is time for you to worship God in truth, not in money, not in any whichever way. But we worship God in spirit. We worship God in faith. We worship God in truth. We worship